If you want to leave a server in Discord on PC, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. Whether a server is no longer relevant, too active, or you simply want to clean up your server list, leaving a Discord server is very easy once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your PC and make sure you're signed into the account that's currently in the server you want to leave. Once Discord is open, look at the left-hand side of the screen where all of your servers are listed. Find the server you want to leave. Now right-click on that server icon. When you right-click, a menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Leave Server. After you click it, Discord will ask you to confirm your choice. This is just to make sure you really want to remove yourself from the server. Click Confirm, and that's it. You've successfully left the server. The server will disappear from your list immediately, and you won't receive any more messages or notifications from it unless you join again later. If you ever change your mind, you would need a new invite link or an invite from a member to return. So that's the full process for leaving a server in Discord on PC. It only takes a moment, but it's good to know exactly where the option is so you can do it quickly whenever you need to. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.